I'm at mom's for dinner again today.
Yeah, today's meal is really special.
Northeast style thick noodles. Nice thick glass noodles. I'm starving, can't take it. Over here. Peppers with meat. And more. Delicious. grass.
What's this dish?
This really hits the spot. Oh my. Well, this is hot right now. Making rice today, pepper, tomato, rice, that.
These perfect eggs.
Salsa cake.
Haven't had this in ages, huh? Every Hampton bits haven't had veggies, but I've had this in ages, huh? I had this in ages. I'm so.
I'm eating the egg, I'm eating the egg.
I'm eating the egg, you guys.
Too cold?
Just this piece of meat. Eating the noodles. This isn't grass. Gotta watch it when eating meat.
开始要往里面向外说，这段时间大家有说要说，还是该要介绍一下我们新出的人同的头发，无论是自己金属、新鲜好玩、福建三角甲、豆角、超音、奥斯利亚银酸、韩国风音、土巴斯、美元等等，所以你们这里的那个美女，他们一些超一些的，他们帮忙。
Last bite. Not saving it, you.